Alright, so I am beginning the exploration of a HVAC heaven that I found on Google Street View. And this is the first unit in this business complex. Little carrier. Copeland reciprocating compressor. It's a 38 CKW from 2004. It's a 2.5 ton. Neat little unit. It's in good condition. And there's some more on the other side of the building. Here we have some trains and a couple more. These look like CKCs. Copeland recip, probably a 3.5 ton, 3 ton from 2005. It's a CKC. XR14 LG scroll. 2022 5 ton. It's pretty much brand new. Older CKC 2003 3.5 ton. Carlisle compressor. It's probably 3-phase, that means, right? Nope, single phase. Smaller XR. These are all straight cools. Three ton from 2022. Alright, I'm pretty sure these are all the units at this building. We have some more at another building. Another CKC. It's got a Bristol. '05. 3 ton, I think. Got a Train XB. 2003 4 ton. Small ass 4 ton. Two more CKCs right here. Another XB. They're all pretty much the same. Three ton from 2005. Bristol recip. I have a couple more. I got a York Olympian, or a Coleman, and a York Latitude, and a Intertech. Goodman made unit. There's a fire truck Q2B siren going off in the background. Quick shot the data. Never heard of this brand before. Scroll compressors. It's 2016. 3.5 ton. There's another one. There's this York. Benchmark compressor. It's a 2007 4 ton. And then this little Olympian right here. That's pretty much what it is. I have to decode that. It's a 3 ton though. And there's one more over here. They're probably from like 2002 or something. I always love these little units. Siren ambience is awesome. Alright, that's it for these. The base model hiding behind here. '2006 3 ton. base series, if you will. And there's a little CKC right over here. A couple Lennox Merritts. It's a 2021 4-ton, no, 3.5-ton. This one looks to be the same thing. Yep. And there's one little CKC right here. Alright. Two more base series units right here. Helicopter fan blades. 3-ton from 2006. One more. Three-ton from 2006. Love these base series units. Another XB right here. XB 10 looks like 2004 4-ton. And there's another base series behind this bush. From the looks of it, I'm gonna guess the 2006 3-ton. Here's a larger CKC right here. Looks like it has a Carlisle compressor. Yep. Hard to see. There it is. It's a 2005. I think it's a 5-ton. Really hard to see the data. There's two XBs. I'm not gonna go close to those because they're pretty much all the same. So yep, another large CKC. Looks to be the same. Hard to tell. Sucks that none of these are heat pumps, but there's something. And I think there's more behind this bush. False, there is not. Okay. Got a couple XBs right here. Two 2004 3-ton. There's one right there. This one real quick. 2003 3.5-ton. There you go. And you got some York Olympians. I know that's not what they are because of the coil guard, but they're essentially the same exact thing. It's really faded. It's a 5-ton, and the serial is WFJM. Give myself a reference on to decode that. This one has a Bristol recip. This one's a 4-ton. Same serial. There's a Mitsubishi mini split over there. And one right there too. Got a smaller Olympian and a bigger one. These things always tend to have hacked up fan motors. Four-ton. This one probably has a Bristol recip. 3-ton. Alright. You have a Bryant Legacy line. Big one. No logo. 2008 4-ton. So it's one of the early ones. I think there might be another on the other side here. Here we got a Legacy line and a base series. That was 9 5-ton. The big fan blades. And here's this one. One of the more uncommon variants. That is crammed back here. It's a 2007 5-ton. I'm pretty sure that's all of this place. Got a Train XR14. Chunky boy. 2017 49,000 BTU 4-ton basically. Pretty sure this actually is the only unit at this place. More Carrier base series units. Oh, this one has a brand new compressor, it looks like. That compressor looks... Actually, no, it's just wet. Never mind. Yeesh. Looked like it had a brand new compressor. Because it was wet. And it's going to be hard to get, but... There you go. Quickly show this one. Another base model. Base series model, same thing. 2006 4-ton. I'm pretty sure there was one running down that way, but that's a kids preschool area, and there's kids playing outside, so that's unfortunately a no-go. But here's another base model right here. All these are pretty much the same exact thing. Oh, would you look at that? Another one. There you go. We have two right here. Three-ton probably. There's those two. Here's some comforts. Faded logo. The compressor's in very good condition. I've always liked these ones with the barbecue grill. Just a 2006 3-ton. Looks like the same goes for this one. 2006 3-ton. Very nice units. Like I said, I've always loved the fan grill on these. Alright, getting close to being done with this place, so yeah. Get these two very quickly. Base series. tall one. Okay, here's some Armstrong airs. In 2006, 5-ton. Same goes for this one. And I assume this one as well. Alright. Here's the Lennox product. Not sure if I can get the data. 5-ton from 2008. Alright, gotta kind of hurry things up now. And over here looks to be 3 Comforts. Right over here, they're newer. (2019) 3-ton. This one, 2021 4-ton. They're brand new, almost. 2021 3-ton. Alright, some newer carriers. Alright, so that's just about everything in this complex, and thanks for watching.